Good evening, everyone. It is March 31st, 2017. We're doing a 2-box random hit break, 2015-16 Leaf Heroes and Prospects. 2-box break, number 14. Oh, no problem, Nick. I can do it. I've been blessed enough. So this is a random hit, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to showcase the cards in both boxes. There are 10 cards in each box. So 20 random hits. And then once I finish showcasing his, I'm going to pause the video. Going to use this dice roller. And I will randomize the list of names right here from Michael Van Wy, John, Aaron, Nathan, all the way down to Stephen Arthur with Last Spot Mojo. And I randomize the list of hits when I manually type them in. And then we'll put them here in the spreadsheet, and whatever you match up with is a card you'll get. So, let me show you how the boxes that are still here. Box 2, 3, 4, and 9. So, let's use random.org, true random number generator to generate 2 box numbers. Let's go. First one. 2. Nice. I like it when it's the first one. 2 right there. Let's go one more. 3. Nice. 2 for 2. Box 2 and 3. And 4 and 9 will be for a future 2-box break. Alrighty, guys. First one. Jordan Cairo, 25 of 25, jumbo patch. Take off this really quick. Alexander Chamlivsky, 2 of 10. $11 of 45, another Jordan Cairo. Rick Merkley, 3-color patch, 20 of 20. We have a complete jersey, 8 of 12. Nolan Patrick, tie down number and emblem. Let's go with some autographs. Evan Cormier, prospect signature, 14 of 30. Next one. Dylan Wells, prospect signature. Peterborough Pete's. Dylan Levine, 3 of 10 prospect signatures. Auto game used. Jake Bean, 12 of 20. And the last card, let's take this out, is a printing plate, 1 of 1, rare signature materials. I recognize that face. Who is that guy? Huh? 1 of 1 printing plate autograph. Teemu Selanne. Great box. Great one box so far. Teemu Selanne 101 printing plate. Alrighty, that's one box. Let's go with the next box. Actually, wrong side. Max Jones. That is a 3-color patch. 1 of 1 Max Jones. Nice. 2 1-of-1s now in the break. Ryan Gropp, 20 of 45. There's that guy Nolan Patrick, 32 of 45, 2-color jumbo patch. Nice. Next one. Jake Bean, 3-color patch. Nice patch in there, 12 of 20. There's that guy, Mitchell Marner. 2 of 2, 3-color jumbo patch, Mitchell Marner. Wasn't it 74 or 72? I don't think it was 76. Was it 76? I always thought it was 72 or 74, but you could be right. I think it was 76. Nice big Mitch Marner. I know it was at least 70. Prospect signatures, Connor Garland. That was insane though, right? It's like 70 goals in a rookie season. Yeah, that's not going to happen again. Prospect signatures, 4 of 5, Michael Speck. Red Deer Rebels. Alrighty. Jaeger White, prospect signatures. Prospect signatures, 2 of 3, Pascal LaBerge. What's going on, Oops? What's going on, Brad? How's it going, man? We're doing a random hit break right now. We're trying to rally on Cup Hockey. We're down to 21. Still have plenty of time to get that done. Alrighty, guys. One more card to go. Wow. What a great 2 boxes. Nathan, didn't you say that you've only seen one of these pulled before and I pulled it? Well, how about another one? Look at this. Dual autograph. Mike Eruzione and Jack Eichel. 6 of 15. That is a sick card. What a great 2 boxes. That is crazy. So that was the way to end this box. And in the first box, you get a 1-of-1 printing plate autograph of Teemu Selanne. What a great 2 boxes. Someone's going to get a great hit like this for only $11.99. Alrighty. So, I'm going to pause the video really quick, guys. Input these hits into the randomizer, and then we'll see who gets what. So stick around, guys. Welcome back, everyone. So I just finished putting in all these cards right here into the randomizer right here. All of them are in, all 20 cards. So let's roll the dice. Before we roll the dice, let me show you the list of names one last time. Michael Van Wy with 1, John with 1, Aaron with 2, and Nathan Jackson 10, and Steven Arthur with the last 6. Here are the list of hits from Jordan all the way down to 20 to the dual auto Eruzione Eichel 6 of 15. So but here it is. So let's roll the dice. 3 and a 5. That's 8 times. 8 times on the names first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty, guys. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8th and final time. Good luck. After 8 times, we got Nathan Jackson. You're at the 1 position. You're also at the 20th. Alrighty. 8 times now. On the hits. See them right there. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it was an 8, right? Yep. 8th and final time. Good luck. After 8 times, we have the Evan at the top. Nolan Patrick, you're right at the bottom. So let's check it out, how this played out. Nathan, you got the Evan Cormier, 14 of 30. Aaron with the Jagger White auto. Stephen Arthur with the Jake Bean auto game used, 12 of 20. Nathan Jackson, nice, with the dual auto Eruzione Eichel, 6 of 15. Steven, you got the Dylan Wells auto, as well as the Jordan Kyrou, 25 of 25. Nathan with the Jake Bean, 12 of 20. John with the Pascal LeBurge, 2 of 3. Aaron, you got the Jordan Kyrou, 11 of 45. Stephen Arthur, last spot mojo, with the Teemu Selanne printing plate, 1 of 1. Nathan Jackson, you got yourself the Mitchell Marner, 2 of 2. Nice. The Ryan Grob, 20 of 45. Nick Merkley, 20 of 20. As well as the Nolan Patrick. Complete jersey, 8 of 12. There you go, man. Stephen Howard with the David Levin, 3 of 10. Nathan, you got yourself the Connor Garland auto, as well as the Alex Chemlevisky, 2 of 10. Michael Van Wy, 1 spot mojo with the Max Jones, 1 of 1. Stephen Arthur with the Michael Speck, 4 of 5. And Nathan, you get the other Nolan Patrick, 32 of 45. So I'm going to pause the video really quick, guys. I'm going to pause the video. So that was the break, guys. That was a 2-box break, random hit of Leaf Heroes and Prospects. I'll put up the last break in the store. That'll be number 15, right? Yes. JaspysHobbyLand.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, okay, Brad.